The farmer and his sons. Once upon a time, there lived an old farmer in a small village. He had 3 sons. His sons were very lazy and always fought with each other. The farmer was very worried about their future. One day, the farmer fell sick. He called his sons and gave them a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break the bundle. Each son tried, but no one could break it. Then the farmer told them to untie the bundle and break the sticks one by one. This time, they broke the sticks very easily. The farmer smiled and said, "My dear sons, just like these sticks, if you stay united, no one can harm you." But if you fight and remain separated, anyone can defeat you easily. The sons understood the lesson. From that day, they promised to live together in peace and unity. The farmer was very happy, and the family lived a happy life. Moral unity is strength.